Dear predatory birds, prepare for war. Prepare your children and all that you can reach. For how can a nation or a kindred without war become that bright particular star of Shakespeare that lit the roads in boyhood? Test art, morality, custom, thought by Thermopylae. Make rich and poor act so to one another that they can stand together there. Love war because of its horror, that belief may be changed, civilization renewed. We desire belief and lack it. Belief comes from shock and is not desired.